class, and a warm welcome to class presentation. Today is 7th of November 2021. Now, how was the weekend? It was a sporting weekend, and those who bet on who are banking on Manchester United were disappointed. I'm sorry for that, and we can proceed. Now, first of all, let me take the roll call. Geoffrey Odhiambo is present. Gilbert Obondi is present. Paul Mboya, absent. Thank you. Now, our core unit of competence is perform lathe work, and the session title is lathe machine parts and their function. And for those who don't know me, my name is Demba Godfrey. I'll take you through this class discussion. Okay, in the previous lesson, we discussed on welding methods, where we looked into the arc welding and gas welding. The next thing that we tackled was welding joints, where we zero in on lap joint and seam joint. Now, today we are doing a different thing. As I had said, the session title is lathe machine parts and their function. Now, by the end of the session, the learner should be in the position to answer the following question. 1. Explain the meaning of a lathe. Number 2. Identify types of a lathe. 3. Identify parts and function of a lathe. Before I proceed, let me pose a question to the class. Who can explain what a lathe is? Anybody? Good. Now, in order to answer this question correctly, there are some key points we have to look into. 1. A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about the axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, nailing, drilling, formation, facing, and turning, with the tools that apply to the workpiece to create an about with symmetry about the axis. Well, in order to answer this question, you first say that a lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about the axis. Secondly, you talk about the perform operations. The kind of operation that it does are these: cutting, sanding, nailing, forming, facing, turning. If you can answer those, if you can put those two areas into that meaning, then you will be in the position to answer that question correctly. Let's go to the second objective, to identify types of a lathe. Now, if you go to any mechanical workshop, be it educational workshop or a commercial workshop, you will not miss either of the following lathe: speed lathe or hood lathe, engine lathe. We have tool room lathe, we have capstan and turret lathe, we have special purpose lathe, and or CNC lathe for those who have money, can afford to buy the latest technology of lathe, that is computerized machine, that is CNC. Now, let us go to the third objective. Initially, before we started the class, I had shared the notes in your WhatsApp group. Kindly open it and go to the first slide. The first slide shows parts and function of a lathe. It's an illustration of a lathe. Now, that is an illustration of a lathe. It has a headstock on the extreme end left, which holds a chuck. You have a bed where it carries the carriage. The carriage has got a tool post. Then there is a coolant. There is a tailstock on the extreme left, the lead screw, the feed rod, clutch, carriage, and bed. Now, in a group of 5, kindly group yourself into 5. Discuss and explain functions of a part of a lathe. Already have the notes with you. Very fast. Now, let's look at the first part, the headstock. In terms of illustration of headstock, the headstock on your lathe is located on the left-hand side of the bed and houses the machine spindles, the drive, the selection of speed, feeds, and gear ratio using a simple change gear levers. You can mount your workpiece holding device like chucks or live center on the spindle. The second part is the tailstock. The tailstock of the lathe is located on the right-hand side of the bed and support the long workpiece. You can hold drill, reamer, tap, boring tools, and other on the tailstock as you do the work. The next slide shows an illustration of a lathe carriage. Number 3, it positions the tool and the workpiece in your lathe. It indicates the feed or the depth of cut. The carriage of the lathe machine is assembled on the bed and you can move it parallel to the spindle axis manually or with the power and the lock at any position. Number 4 shows an illustration of a tool post. The tool post holds the cutting tool. The tool holder is mounted on the cross side. Depending on the design, it may have a quick clamping mechanism to enable you to change the tool post. The next slide illustrates feed rod and feed screw. That's number 5. The feed rod of your lathe is a long shaft with a keyway and transmits the power from the headstock drive to the apron gear. The lead screw in your lathe allows you to cut various types of lead threads. Number 6 shows the chuck. The chuck is a work holding device. Usually holds chuck or a collet. Next slide illustrates the lathe bed. The lathe bed has a guideway that are machined very precisely. That's an illustration. Number 8 is a coolant. The cooling unit is a cooling system of your lathe, has a coolant tank with a pump, piping drill, and a pipe to direct the flow of the coolant. Now, the next slide shows a video, and it's an illustration of a video that was done by me and my student in the BBC. It shows their operations that are done in the lathe. Those are my students. The operation that we call workshop. That's a good video. You see, when we cut falling apart, that's a coolants. Cooling system. That for the workpiece that we get now. Good. Finally, after I'm done with work, the cut is off to produce what is required from there. Good work. At the end of the matriculation, this is what was done. And that was a wonderful job that was done by students. That is what they gave them to do. And finally, they did as per what I wanted. Good. Summary. Then we summarize the whole lesson. Throughout the lesson, we were able to tackle the following. What is a lathe machine? Number 2, identify types of lathe. 3, identify parts and function of a lathe. Now, before I wind up the lesson, I have to give an assignment. The assignment, the due date is 18th November 2021. And the assignment is as follows. With the help of a well-illustrated diagrams, identify the lathe attachment accessories. Now, for more information, log in to the following details. It will give you more information. Thank you very much, and have a nice weekend with you.